Ramp 17 is our rapid attack multi-purpose truck.
This truck is a great addition to the fleet, and it's going to greatly increase our capacity to deal with car fires, both electric and traditional, in parking decks, surface lots, or even in the area.
We came up with this truck looking at several other departments across the country, and nobody had a vehicle that we felt was what we needed, and we thought we could do it better designing our own.
So we started laying out what we wanted specifically, measuring the parking decks, verifying heights, and then looking at different apparatus, different vehicles that we could put that on. On the standard trucks, a vehicle fire inside a parking deck, we're going to get multiple engines, ladders, depending on where it is, the proximity to the airport. Previously, to get to above the higher levels on the parking decks, we would have to carry all of our equipment, from hose to car fire blankets, anything we might need for this incident. So we needed to have a solution to get all of that equipment there without depleting all of our manpower. The time it takes to carry all that equipment to the scene to actually start fighting the fires, with this truck, we're there rapidly. It's one handle to turn it on, and you can start applying agent until more people get there. Foam we carry on this truck is a fluorine-free foam mixed with water, and it's 200 plus gallons of finished product ready to go at just a turn of one valve. This truck was specifically designed with lights that shine white out at lower points in the truck. It has the availability to take every red light and turn it to a clear white light. That gives us visibility. As we all know, smoke banks down in those parking decks. And this was a great collaboration between Charlotte Fire Department, CLT Fleet Maintenance. This was completely built in-house, so we were able to put exactly what we wanted and have it run and programmed to exactly what we needed for this specific application.